crunch 77 dash T Adam. There you go. Want to add an exclamation mark at the end? Now it's 8. Good. What if we wanted to add a special character in the pattern, but it's an actual @ symbol, which is, by the way, a crunch meta character? It'll have to be escaped with the L option. It communicates to crunch which characters will have to be treated literally. Crunch 9 Adam. One, two, three, four. At 1, 2, 3, 4. The A characters are just placeholders of the previous command. The @ symbol is the only problematic character, so it'll be the only one we define with the L option. See?